Hey there, Mahesh here. Hope you are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have got something special for you, a step-by-step guide on how to write compiling articles using ChatGPT. As you can see on the screen, the exact same article I've created making use of 6-step formula. As you can see, I'm going to share you the exact document for you so that you can make use of it and create your own article. So please stick to this video till the end. And guys, if a normal Indian person like me who can sit at home and start making money in dollars on autopilot just by creating this kind of systems, why can't you do the same and start making money for your success? And at any point, guys, if you're really interested in my preferred method to earn around $5,000 to $10,000 monthly from home just by using your computer and internet connection, please click the first link in the description down below and get registered, and I'll share my favorite strategy with you. I've been from zero. Now I'm a proud owner of a company called Collabik LLC. And if in case you stick to this video till the end, not only with the 6-step formula to create ChatGPT document, I'm also going to share you a $97 bonus absolutely for free. So guys, without any delay, let's get started. And before we get started, let's explore the steps to write an article. And here in this video, I'm also going to show you a live example. So within minutes, I'm going to create an article in front of you. And I'm going to take an example of creating a logo on Fiverr. Why? Because if you subscribe to my channel, in future videos, I'm going to show you how easily you can make money with affiliate marketing. And in upcoming examples, I'm going to make use of Fiverr affiliate program and other affiliate programs too. All right. So let's get started with step 1. Let's explore first, then after you can watch with the example. So in step 1, we'll move with article topic formula. So first things first, let's talk about choosing the perfect article topic. The formula here is simple. Identify a problem, provide a solution, and value. That's it in step 1. And in step 2, we need to craft an irresistible title. So use how to formula or create curiosity with a secret revealed approach. And in step 3, the introduction sets the tone for your article. Start with a hook, address the problem your readers face, and promise a solution. And the 4th step is article outline formula. Time to create a roadmap for your article. Break it down into sections using the problem solving structure. Outline the key points you'll cover. And in step 5, start fleshing out each section. You can make use of ChatGPT, as I'm going to show you how to make use of this script. And to expand your ideas, provide detailed explanations and enhance the overall quality of your content. And in step 6, affiliate article formula. Here, if you're monetizing your content through affiliate marketing, incorporate it seamlessly. Create a section recommending relevant products or services related to your article. As I said I'm going to share you the exact 6 steps formula in a document. So if you visit the first link in the description, when you scroll down, you would be finding a download now button. Regarding this 6-step formula. So you please click on that, download your document and make use of this. So I have already created a script. So for this example, I'm just going to copy paste. You can please check how easy it is to create your article on ChatGPT. And guys, this is only one strategy. So when you scroll up, if you get registered to this exact training what I'm about to suggest you, here you would be finding n number of strategies to make money through online. So it is the best chance for you to create a sustainable income online. So get registered, watch the trainings over there. And I'm about to fast forward it and create an article for you. Just please follow the exact same strategy what you're seeing on the screen. And there you have it, guys. So once you're done with your article, you can post it on your website, your blog, or any other social media platforms. Like I'm making use of Medium. You can see there are n number of articles generated by my end. And every time I make use of ChatGPT to create articles, and it's working. Why? Because you can see there are people watching these articles and getting registered to my affiliate programs. So it's quite easy. You can also follow the exact step and experiment with these formulas, and don't forget to add your unique flair to stand out. And as I promised you, here is your bonus of $97. You can see on the screen the program name is the Stasho method, and this is one of the best program I have created, and I've listed it on Digistore24. And Digistore24 is one of the best affiliate platform in the market, and I'm selling it for $20 over there. But in future I'm about to sell this exact program for $97, and this program is all about creating your own supplement brand, dietary supplement brand through online without any product or without any inventory. It's quite simple. If in case you don't like to be into supplement business, then also you have many chances to generate some sustainable income through online, like around $100 to $200 per day, just by following that program. That's it, nothing to do. Just following the program, you can easily generate $100 to $200 per day. So to grab this bonus, please get registered in second link in the description. And also, if you like to watch a free masterclass on affiliate marketing, like how and what are the strategies included doing this affiliate marketing in the right way, then you can please register third link in the description and watch 2 hours presentation. And then after, if you are really interested to join our community, then you can right away join our community from there. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content creation tips, and let me know in the comments if you would like to see more tutorials like this. Happy writing, and I'll catch you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.